right, Mark Sturm on that 83. Challenged by Ron Brackenberry on the 77 machine, sliding it around. Oh! Both of them going up into the berm on the inside in the meantime. That's John Lackey on the B-52 taking the lead. All right, going to make everybody aware there's a little bit of activity here. Well, like they say, weapons racing. These are two fast competitors. Let's see if we can bring them back out here quickly. Ron's still having some problems with his steering. Is he too far into the soft stuff, or did he break something tying it up there? I can see the motor still running.
Trying to move it, and the back tires are still spinning.
Down, so we'll see if they can recover.
There it goes.
Stern supposed to come back onto the track. The field gets kind of up and turn 3 and 4. He's left down right now down in the rest of the track. John Lackey on the B-52 machine right now is your leader, so.
I'm really glad I got that on cam.
Down to that yellow 77 machine there. A lot of yellow things get stuck in the snow today. Don't ask Andy Leach about that.
Corey's not going to get last place.
Yeah.
That looks like he might be out of it here for the 10 laps to see if he gets a run a few extra laps with the guys. In the meantime, here's the B-52 machine John Lackey, your leader.
This is the way Martin's sound. He goes by and just hear the whoa.
Second on the number 43 Teddy Blue. That's Corey Esker. Followed by Martin Sturm. Martin on that 83 John Deere machine. Usually a pretty quick machine. Looking like he's trying to get it shaken down here a little bit. Put the tumble into the berm. Now he's going to start moving up to the back. Getting around Corey Esker. All right, Ron Brackenberry has got it rolling. Yeah, they pushed him off the track. Number one power, though. And now he's back into the berm on this side. Yeah, it's a good thing this is exhibition racing.
Martin's not going to be able to catch him not being down 2 laps. All right, that's enough.
All right.